So guys, I want to prepare some food. You can see, so I'll be using okra. So you can see okra here. I'll be using okra, and there is it's many. So it's many here. I'll use it to prepare soup, and that's how I'll be cutting it. So I need to cut it into pieces. After I cut it into pieces, I can now use that one. I can now use it to prepare the soup. So let me show you how we are going to be cutting it. So I need to cut it to remove the first part and now cut it this way. So that's how I need to cut it. So you need to cut it small so that it can be able to, like, it can cook faster. So when you cut it small, it will be able to cook faster. And after that, you just boil it and add some other ingredients and cook it, and that's soup. So guys, and it's dry season, but it's closer to river. That's why we are able to have this particular okra to prepare the soup. So it's actually fresh ones. It's actually fresh. You can see it, very fresh. I just wash it and it's in the water. So that's how it is, like this. So guys, that's village life, and village life is always sweet. You can eat whatever you want. So you can eat whatever you want when you are living in the village. You can eat whatever you want. So you just need to select what you want and eat. It's not like town that you'll be struggling to get. Even when you get, you want to buy, it's actually costly. But in the village, you can enjoy it the way you want, especially when you are able to put up a garden. For that one, you can enjoy the way you want. So guys, that's how I'll be cutting it, and I'll cut it this way, and after that I'll just prepare the soup. Don't feel lazy, guys. Just don't feel lazy. You can see, actually I told you guys that when you are following me on my page, there's no way that you're not going to work hard towards your goal. So you can see me, actually I'm hardworking. I can cook, I can do a lot of things. Just locally, I can do a lot of things. I learned it just from our moms. So I learned it from our moms, and I'm enjoying it. So it's actually good. Very nice one, of course. You can see how I'm cutting the thing. So cooking is sweet, but sometimes I also feel lazy to cook. Guys, but it's normal. So sometimes I also feel lazy to cook. But what can I do? I just need to do. So for now, I'm just living with my brother, so I need to cook for us to eat. So that's how it goes. So guys, that's it. Go out there and work hard towards your goal. Never just sit at one place and think life is easier. So there is a lot of opportunities out there. Don't feel lazy. There is a lot of opportunities. Just go out and work out towards your goal. So you can see what I've cut. So that's what I've cut. And that's what I cut, and my phone fell, and that's what I cut, and I'll be cutting more. So that's what I cut, and I'll be cutting more. So that's it.